Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this battery. This is a new battery, okay? I already removed the old one. What you need to do, you need to remove these two nuts, okay, first, and then disconnect the cables from here. And what happens is that every time I try to connect this cable here, the car is gonna start beeping, the alarm. This is Honda, this is Acura 2007 RDX, and every time I connect the cable to the new battery, it's gonna start beeping. So the way to fix this problem is with the key, go to the passenger door and insert the key and open and close, and then that will fix the problem, okay? So everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. This video is for education purpose only. Please, if your kids are around, be very careful because it has a lot of power of electricity and then it can hurt anybody, okay? So be careful. So now I'm gonna try to connect this and it's gonna start beeping. Okay guys, so as you see, as soon as we insert the key in the passenger door, open and close, and then stop beeping the alarm. So that's the way you fix it. So I hope my video help you, and if this is your case, thank you so much. Check my other videos.